Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be sharing optimal strategies to avoid unsustainable weight loss. Do you know that over 85% of people who lose weight gain the weight back, plus more weight within 3 years? That is a significant number. I have kept the weight off for over 6 years. I want to help you not just lose the weight, I also want to help you keep the weight off for good. Now, before I discuss the optimal strategies to avoid unsustainable weight loss, I will share reasons why people fail at long-term weight loss. Now, there are several reasons why people may fail at weight loss. Firstly, fad diets and unsustainable weight loss methods are common. It may promise rapid weight loss, but fail to address the underlying factors that contribute to weight gain. Additionally, many people struggle with motivation and consistency when it comes to making sustainable lifestyle changes, such as eating a well-balanced diet and getting regular physical activity. Stress, lack of sleep, and emotional eating can also contribute to weight gain and make it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. Finally, it is important to remember that weight loss is a complex process, everyone. It's challenging, but it's not impossible. And it involves many factors, including genetics, metabolism, and hormonal balances. Therefore, it is important to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that promote overall health and well-being, rather than focusing solely on weight loss. By incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, seeking support from friends and family, and seeking guidance from a healthcare professional, as well as a certified nutrition coach, you can overcome these challenges and achieve your weight loss goals. Sustainable weight loss is essential for overall health and well-being, but many people struggle to maintain a healthy weight over a long term. There are various reasons why. One of the reasons for this is the prevalence of fad diets and unsustainable weight loss methods, which often promise rapid weight loss, but fail to address the underlying factors that contribute to weight gain. Now, to avoid these pitfalls, it's important to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that promote healthy eating, regular physical activity, and self-care. Building a support system, seeking professional guidance, and practicing mindful eating can also help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight lifestyle over the long term. Now, by prioritizing these optimal strategies, you can avoid unsustainable weight loss methods while improving your overall health and well-being, and maintain a healthy weight for years to come, for the rest of your life. In terms of why people fail at sustainable weight loss, there are several factors at play. One is the allure of quick fixes and fad diets, which can be appealing but often fail to address the underlying factors that contribute to weight gain. Additionally, many people struggle with motivation and consistency when it comes to making sustainable lifestyle changes. Support systems, professional guidance, and accountability can be helpful in addressing these challenges and achieving long-term successful weight loss. I'm going to start by discussing the optimal strategies. 1. Focus on overall health, not just weight loss. Instead of obsessing over the number on the scale, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that improve your overall health, such as eating a balanced diet and getting regular exercise. The scale can be very misleading, everyone. The scale can be useful. It's certainly a useful tool. However, it can be misleading. The scale can help you track your progress, but it can also, as indicated, be misleading. One reason for this is that weight fluctuates and are common and can be influenced by various factors like hydration levels, menstrual cycles, and even food intake. This means that even if you're losing body fat, you may not see the number on the scale decrease as quickly as you like. Additionally, the scale doesn't take into account changes in body composition, such as an increase in muscle mass due to strength training. Strength training is very powerful when it comes to weight loss and healthy living. This means that you could be losing body fat and gaining muscle, but the number on the scale may not change significantly. Finally, it's important to remember that weight isn't the only indicator of health. Factors like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall fitness are all symptoms of overall quality of well-being and health. Instead of relying solely on the scale, it's important to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that promote overall health and well-being, such as eating a balanced diet, getting regular physical activity, and practicing stress management techniques. 2. Avoid extreme diets. That's key. Avoid extreme diets. Extreme diets that severely restrict calories or eliminate entire food groups are often unsustainable and can lead to being nutrient deficit, having a nutrient deficit, or binge eating behaviors. Choose a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods. I do not promote or advocate a starvation diet. No, do not pursue a starvation diet. 3. Don't fall for the quick fix promises. Rapid weight loss may be appealing, but it's often not sustainable and can be detrimental to your health. Instead, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes. 4. Be aware of the miracle supplements or foods. There is no magic pill or food that will magically melt away fat, everyone. It's not. Instead, focus on incorporating a variety of healthy foods and getting regular exercise. There's no magic pill to weight loss, everyone. I'm here to tell you. 5. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different when it comes to weight loss and healthy living. And focus on your own progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Comparing yourself to others during your weight loss journey can be distraction and cannot be the best for you. It's a distraction for your wellness journey for several reasons, everyone. So don't focus on someone else's journey. Firstly, everyone's weight loss journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, comparing your progress to someone else's progress can be demotivating. It can make you feel like you're not making progress, even though you are. Additionally, it's important to remember that weight loss is not linear. It's not a linear progress, and there will be ups and downs along the way. It's certainly linear. It's going to be ups and downs along the way. Comparing yourself to others who may be progressing more quickly or easily can make you feel like you're not doing enough, or that you're failing, and you're certainly not failing. Furthermore, focusing too much on comparing yourself to others can be a distraction, as indicated, and also can distract you from your own progress and goals. It's so important to set realistic and achievable goals, aka SMART goals, for yourself and track your progress based on your achievements, not on the achievements of others. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your own progress instead of getting caught up in comparing yourself to others. We're all unique. This is your journey. You're in competition with yourself. Comparing yourself to others during your weight loss journey can be a distraction as mentioned, from your wellness journey. And it's important to focus on your own progress, everyone. Focus on your own progress and goals by setting realistic goals, smart goals, tracking your progress based on your own achievements, and focusing on making sustainable lifestyle changes. You can achieve your weight loss goals and promote overall health and well-being. 6. Avoid restrictive eating patterns. Restrictive eating patterns that eliminate your entire food groups or require strict calorie counting can be unsustainable, and not long lasting, and can lead to disordered eating behaviors. Choose a balanced diet or lifestyle, I would say, that includes a variety of foods. 7. Seek professional guidance when needed from a certified nutrition coach and a certified healthcare provider that can help you on your journey. Seeking guidance from a certified individual can be very beneficial to you and can help you avoid the pitfalls of weight loss, of sustainable weight loss. And it can also help you when you seek out a certified nutrition coach as well as a healthcare provider that can help you come up with a nice, a safe, effective plan that can be sustainable on your weight loss journey. Just know that we're in this together. You're not alone. These are the optimal strategies to help individuals avoid unhealthy eating habits. So certainly so, everyone. Just want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. Until the next video, everyone. Take care. Talk to you soon.